Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris fog light bulb, only way. Remove the inner wheel arch fasteners and fold back the liner to expose the fog lamp housing, then unplug the connector and remove the bulb by twisting counterclockwise. I will guide you through checking the new bulb, inserting it without touching the glass, and testing the light so you leave with a secure fix and a working fog lamp. Before you start, park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. I'll walk you through removing the correct fasteners, easing the liner back safely, and locating the fog lamp connector. Follow simple hand positions to avoid breaking clips and learn how to test the new bulb once installed so you won't need a repeat attempt or extra repairs. Work patiently and keep parts organized as you remove the fasteners and liners. I'll describe exact twist angles, connector tabs to press, and how to avoid common mistakes like over-tightening or touching the bulb glass. After seating the new bulb and reconnecting the harness, I'll show you a quick function test and reassembly checklist to make sure clips are snug and nothing rattles when you drive, saving time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.